English study. I like studying English. English is a fun language to learn. I have English class at school. My teacher is nice, and she helps us learn new words and sentences. We read English books and practice speaking in class. At home, I watch English cartoons. They are entertaining, and I can learn English while having fun. I also use an English app on my tablet. It has games and quizzes that make learning English exciting. I practice English with my friends too. We have conversations and play games in English. I want to get better at English, so I study a little bit every day. I know that with practice, I will become great at speaking English. English is an important language, and I enjoy learning it.
English Story Part 2.
Today's weather. Today is a sunny day. The sky is clear, and the sun is shining brightly. It feels warm outside, and there are no clouds in the sky. I can see birds flying and hear them singing. It's a perfect day to go for a walk or have a picnic in the park. I like the sunshine because it makes everything look cheerful. I hope the weather stays nice for the rest of the day.
English Story Part 3.
School. School is a special place where I learn new things every day. I have friends, and we study different subjects together. In the classroom, there are desks, chairs, and a chalkboard where the teacher writes. We read books, solve math problems, and draw pictures. During break time, we play games in the schoolyard. School is fun because I get to discover and explore many exciting ideas with my classmates and teachers.
English Story Part 4.
Cooking with Mom. I love spending time with my mom in the kitchen. On weekends, we cook together. She teaches me simple recipes, like making pancakes or spaghetti. I wear an apron, and she ties a colorful one around her waist. We laugh and talk while chopping vegetables and stirring the pots. The kitchen smells amazing as we create delicious meals. My favorite part is when we sit down to eat what we made. It tastes even better because we made it together. Cooking with my mom is a fun and tasty way to bond and learn.
English Story Part 5.
Planting in the garden. I enjoy planting and taking care of plants in my garden. It's a simple yet rewarding hobby that brings joy to my daily life. First, I choose different seeds or small plants, depending on what I want to grow. I dig small holes in the soil and gently place the seeds or plants in them. Then, I cover them with soil and water them regularly. Watching the tiny sprouts emerge from the soil is always exciting. I make sure to provide sunlight and proper care, like watering and removing weeds, as the plants grow. I see beautiful flowers or tasty vegetables appearing. It's so satisfying to know that I played a part in their growth. Taking care of a garden is not only good for the plants, but also for my well-being. The fresh air and connection with nature make gardening a peaceful and fulfilling activity.